I'm Eddie Field. Recently I installed a ceiling fan, and after the install I found that the ceiling fan had a gentle click. And there's only one thing more annoying than the click of a ceiling fan, and that is the beep of a smoke alarm battery. So the first thing I checked to see if it was the pull chain that was tapping. That's common. Wasn't the pull chain tapping? Okay, maybe it's a wobble in the fan blades. So I checked the balance on all the fan blades. It wasn't the fan blades. I tightened and loosened all the fan blades. It wasn't that. Then, after taking it all the way down, so I took off the light fixture, took off all the blades, took out the light bulbs, and I turned the motor on, and it's still clicking. What I found was, aha! It's touching the wiring. Just one of the screws that holds the motor unit housing together. Was out just enough so it was tapping the electrical wires. So as that head of that screw came around as it next pass, it would catch that wire. So, practically reinstalling the entire ceiling fan, tucked all the wiring back up. Make sure your power is off before you're reaching up in here. Turn the ceiling fan on before putting anything else together. That's what it was. And the clicking was gone. Then I put the shroud back on, I put the fan blades back on, I put the light kit back on, and still no clicking. I hope this helps. If this has been helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe for more helpful hints and tips like this.